Creating beautiful and easy-to-follow map animations like these shouldn't be hard using After Effects, right? Yet when you're starting out with low-res maps from Google and some basic shape tools, you learn rather quickly that producing such animations is a lot more complex than it might first appear. And that's why we've built World Travel Maps, an After Effects template and a set of unique tools and effects designed specifically for creating professional travel map animations. Let's start with our high-resolution maps. Maps that cover every part of the world. So whether it's island hopping across Southeast Asia, hitchhiking through towns and villages in south of France, or cycling with your team down the Pacific coast of the US, there's high-res maps for any location. Then you can zoom out a little, or a lot, using a simple slider to give a full picture of your trip. Set another destination point on the map, and watch the camera automatically move to it without having to add a single keyframe. Not sure about the look of this map? No problem. There are 8 beautiful color themes you can choose from that will give you a professional map design right out of the box. Then expand themes' color options and tweak it further to make the map look truly your own. Next are the vehicles, and there's a bunch of them. There are 3 airplane designs, an arrow, 5 driving icons, and then these 2 to cover any sailing or ferry crossings. You can adjust their color, scale, route design, and animate them along the path using just 2 simple keyframes. Not bad, right? They even come with their individual sound effects. You see this pin? Each color theme has its own pin design, but you can mix and match them if you wish. Once you're set on a style, you can rename it, change its direction, font, and its design automatically adjusts on the fly. But hey, we didn't stop there. Check out these cool opening transitions you can add to the start of your clip. Let's drop in a day counter to help us keep track of our time. And we're done. Finally, you can resize it to 4K or say that vertical look for your Instagram stories. And you're ready to render. And that's World Travel Maps, an After Effects template designed for creating professional travel map animations.